Quest Store. This is real production development. By the end of this module, you will know exactly what an AI agent is. Not the hype, the real thing. And you will watch one take a goal, make its own decisions, and get a job done. Limited to Meta's Quest real production level VR development. Most people have used a chatbot. You ask it answers. That is where it stops. An agent does not stop at the answer. An agent acts, you give it a goal, and it goes and does the work to reach that goal. A chatbot tells you how to send the email. An agent sends the email. Midi to Metas, this is real production level VR development. In our series, episode 6 was about will wanting something acting negate it. An agent is the simplest, most concrete version of an idea you can build. Give it a goal, give it a bit, and it keeps acting till the goal is met. That is will. Production level VR or code, nothing mystic, was to go in a loop. Quest Store, this is real production level VR development. No matter how fancy, is made of 4 parts: a brain, a loop, tools, and memory. Learn these 4 and you can read any agent system ever built. Let us take them one at a time. This is real production level VR development. First, the brain. This is a large language model, Claude or GPT, but here is the shift. We are using it to decide. At each step, it looks at the goal and asks one question: what should I do next? The model does not do the work. It chooses the work. Limited to Meta's Quest Store, this is real production level VR development. Second, the loop. The agent thinks, then it acts. Then it looks at what happened. Then it thinks again with that new information. Think, act, observe, think, act, observe. Over and over. A chatbot runs once and stops. Quest Store, this is real production level VR where an agent runs this loop and is done. This single loop is the difference we talk and do. Limited to Meta's Quest Store, this is real production level VR development. Third, tools. Tools are the agent's hands. On its own, the model can only produce that. A tool changes that. A tool lets it search the web, read a file, query a database, update a spreadsheet, or send a message. This is real production level VR. When you hand the agent a set of tools and suddenly can act, not just talk. Meta's Quest Source. This is real production level VR development. Fourth, memory. A goal can take many steps. The agent has to remember what already did and what it learned along the way. Short-term memory holds the current task. Long-term memory holds what matters across tasks. Without memory, this is real production level VR development. The agent forgets and goes and makes progress. This is real production level VR development. Now the part most tutorials skip. When does it stop? An agent without a clear stopping point that quits too early or runs forever and burns money. So we tell the goal's met or it hits a limit as a human. This is real production level VR development. We know when to stop. As part of building, we would take this seriously. Limited to Meta's Quest Store, this is real production level VR development. Let us make it real. Read today's invoices, find the overdue ones, and email me a short sample to read the invoices. It observes what it found. It thinks again and picks out the overdue ones. Quest Store, this is real production level VR development. It accesses the email tool to send it. The goal is met, so it stops. Brain, loop, tools, memory. All 4 doing one real job. Limited to Meta's Quest Store, this is real production level VR development. That example is not random. Across this course, you will build exactly that. We call an agent that automates one real small business workflow end to end. It reads an inbox or documents, pulls out the task, drafts the replies. Quest Store, this is real production level VR development. Updates a sheet and reports every day. By module 9, it runs on its own on a schedule. You will not watch me build it, build with me. This is real production level VR development. So that is what an agent actually is. A brain, a loop, tools, and memory chasing a goal. In the next module, we build your first one, a real calling agent from scratch. No PhD, your laptop and an API key are enough. Let us build.